Hello everyone, it's me again. Welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna introduce you guys about the case study project that what I am doing to release this on the production. It's named Booking application. It's kind of the product that you can use to book a hotel or something somewhere you're traveling when you're traveling. For example, when you visit to Hanoi, Vietnam, you can go on the website and looking for some search for or looking for some uh, appropriate room to stay to to stay in the business. Okay, so we in this project we have the 8 package. The first is config control, the next controller, the third DTO, enum, model, repository or service, and the last is until. Okay, so I will describe about um, what is the, the mission of this package. The first is config. In this package is include all the security config or web application config like ZWT config or Redis config or login config, so many things, timing aspect. We use a lot of object-oriented programming in this. So the next package is controller. Every request from foreign to my API to is always go through the controller. Okay, we have our controller to authenticate the login and register request of the user. When, for example, when user log in on the web page, our API will wanna generate to the token. After that, every request into my application is gonna validate the ZWT that was encoded. Is it valid? It's gonna go. Is gonna allow the request to the controller, for example, like command controller, district controller, and owner controller. So the next package is detail. In this package, I'm gonna push a lot of detail class that's mapping to entity. For example, like command, district, province, so many things. The next is enum. We configure error code status, room status or type room. For example, error code when we make some error coming from the logic, we're gonna throw the exception and we define it in the code 1001 with the message invalid input. When the client received this message, they're gonna know what it is doing, why, and where is the error. For example, like ZWT invalid, and the backend team gonna check why it's valid. Okay, so to the next is model. Because we use CPA, that's the reason why we use a lot of annotation here, like an entity, a table, an ID, a generate. We use the ORM mapping here with the annotation at many to one, or one to many, or one to one, so many things. And GPA, Spring Boot, our way how to create and config all the things instead of developer. Okay, for example, uh, so many time before in the past, the developer, they gonna do everything, they did everything, config the code, write the mapping, write the SQL script, so many things. But with Spring Boot and ORM framework, it's automatically, it's generate and automatic config automatically. Okay, so the next is repository. Repository, we use CBA technique. It's gonna auto generate the SQL script when we create, update, or delete of file or query YAML. And the next is service. We execute a lot of business logic in this package, like how the last is until we write this common function here, and with the static, public static, everywhere in this application can call the method that we define on this file. Okay, so thank you for listening about my introduce about the booking application, and see you next time.